Right, now I'm up to point 56, and so we're going to finish up this from 56 through to 62 in this section. So I need to insert name and candidate number, left footer of each page. Candidate number, you can just use your school login. So here we go. So I want to go View, Page Layout, and I've got a header, top of the page, and footer. So left footer of each page, so I've got the left section here. And I'm just going to put the name and my AC number. Good. And format it so that all the data can be seen. So if we look at the moment, it is now being spread across two different sheets. So I might want to look at changing the layout. So I'm going to go page layout, change the orientation to landscape, see if that fits it all on one page. If it doesn't, you might need to change the margins as well. So page orientation is landscape, yep. Making sure all the data can be seen. Yes, every column seems to be wide enough. You might need to go and change some of the width of some of these columns. To go back to your normal view, click on View, choose Normal. And now I can see the little dotted lines to tell me where the edge of the page is. Now, I need to go and add some borders to this. So I want to only use appropriate borders. So I might decide, let's say the whole thing just needs one big solid border. Oh, don't really want something like that. So you might highlight the whole thing. Now we can actually also just use the draw border tool and just draw the lines around where we want them to go. So I decide there, border that goes around there, border around the top. Sometimes you might find it easier to actually turn all the filters off and get these default settings on everything. So now that I've got everything highlighted, so I'm just going to highlight all of my data. Put a nice thick border around there, just around the heading on the top. Make that first heading bold. Turn those back on, so I'm only showing the ones that I want. And might change that last row just so that's all in bold. That one's been highlighted. Now I want to set a print area, so the only area that I want to actually print out is this information. Go up to page layout, print area, set print area, because now when I go to print, it will only print out that area that I have selected. Now I'm going to print it as a PDF document, making sure it's all on one page, and save it as restock order. So I'm going to print, change the printer to PDF. If I need to, I can scale it to fit on one sheet. Click the print button, and then save the file. And that completes that whole section.